Want to slice a bell pepper like a pro? Today, we're testing different cutting techniques to find the fastest, cleanest, and safest way to prep peppers. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're mastering how to properly slice and dice bell peppers with pro chef tricks for efficiency and safety. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepping the pepper. Choose a firm, glossy bell pepper. The fresher the better. Wash and dry thoroughly. Removes any dirt or wax coating. Lay the pepper on its side. Ensures stability while cutting. Step 2. The best ways to cut a bell pepper. The quick core removal, chef's method. Slice off the top and bottom. Make a vertical cut and roll the pepper open. Trim out the white pith and seeds. The seam method for clean slices. Identify the natural seams on the pepper. Slice along these seams to separate into clean, even sections. Remove any remaining pith with a small knife. The strip and dice technique: lay the pepper skin side down. Slice into thin strips for stir fries or salads. Turn and dice into small cubes for salsas or toppings. Step 3. Pro tips for precision and safety. Use a sharp knife. Prevents crushing and tearing. Always cut with the skin side down. Reduces resistance and makes slicing easier. Stabilize the pepper before cutting. Avoid rolling by using a flat side. Now you know how to slice and dice bell peppers like a pro. What's your favorite way to use bell peppers? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen tips. Want to master more knife skills? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert cutting techniques and cooking hacks.